Hello, and welcome back. Here we are again. So we're on the road of making a unicorn an A. So we're going to be converting this lovely B into an A. So we're on the road to making an A. So at the moment I've been buying unicorns cheap as chips when everyone's panicking. I've been there picking up the pieces, buying cheap unicorns. And as it goes, I managed to pick up another 2 E's tonight. Managed to make a D and a few other ones. As it goes, our strongest D at the moment is this one here. The 10.92. If you look at the rest of them, 9, there, 8, 9. Yep. So, here we go. First of all, we need to create another D. This, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. What we got today? Oh, BEA, beautiful. Nice looking one, isn't it? Fantastic. So our next one now is going to be a C. We're going to make a C now. I'm going to use a couple of these. We're going to use our strongest one in the formula. Just here, this one. 10.92, 13.28. A lot stronger. The intelligence is 19.71, which blows the wind off any other ones I got. 19.71. 16. The idea is we're going to make another B. We're going to make a strong B. Should be better stats than these. Then we're going to fuse them to make an A. Hopefully be a strong A. And then the rest of the Bs, I'm just going to buy cheap ones. Just put them in there. And then it'll gather the stats to the highest one. And then we'll create a fantastic A. Which will go in the rest of our team. Bane's Almighty. Unicorn, we're going to be keeping the healer. So it's just going to be the mage, which is going to be an A. Fabulous. Titan. We've managed to keep Reese in the mix. I was going to sell him, but he's been proven to be quite good. At the moment, the hit enhancement is the most popular one, the cats. And I find this is a good defense against him because he does the back damage. I've added a gem to him, which doesn't increase the MP. He takes out the back enemies along with the mage. And then these big boys just take out the rest. As it goes, it's working pretty good. Good old Raphael, bless him. He's like the most famous Binemon character there is. He's been on and off the market, up and down, left, right, diagonal, zigzaggy, hexagon, bi-hexagon. You name it, he's been there. Bless him, nobody wanted to buy him. You know, I lowered him all the way down to 90,000 DRK, which is something around $500 and something for a B. You know, the bargain of the century, but hey, no one wants him, I'll keep him. The only reason I was selling him was because I have a full team and I just don't use him, so he's no use to me. So on that note, staying with us for now. So enough waffling. Make a C. So there she is. I'm going to decide on what attack I'm going to want. Actually, wait for now. Could go with the Shura. Tough one, isn't it? Back up first. Load it back up because the one we just fused hasn't loaded yet, so go. Arts. What a name. Bless him. Actually, it's not actually too bad. Okay. I'm gonna keep the healer for now. At the moment, we're just gonna be making 1C. I'll be putting in. I'm gonna go for the Shira, I think. Oh, tough. It's a tough cookie. This is. Alright, we're gonna go for this. Gonna go for this. Gonna have the skill as Shira with the general 35% skill damage. And 3, 2. Here we have it. Our newest C. The old Skelly. Nice. Do like the skeleton look. Works well on Halloween. Still got. Well, we could technically still make another C. Could just do that. We're still waiting for the campaign, the PvE, bring out the gems, more fragments. So I'm gonna be putting one more gem on the cat. I'm gonna put on, I believe it's this one here, fast swing, which gives 25% extra attack in healing 2 attacks in one go. So we'll do one shot to do another one straight away. Seems to work pretty well with the mana deficiency, so we'll be using them. And then the rest of them, man, I'm gonna wait till I can get the rare ones. Hopefully bring that out soon with Squid Games. Oh, okay. Change. Right, let's get us in. There she is, OC, level 7. That's pretty much the idea, that is. You pretty much get the stats you want. Get the Emon with the highest stats you can get. And then pretty much from there on, just get the cheapest of the cheap you can get. The algorithm will always work out as the highest stats. And then what you do then, you buy the highest stats you want, and then the rest of them are all to do with levels. So you want to buy the highest levels you get. So then when you're creating a C, a B, an A, an S, you'll have the strongest stats, then you'll also have the levels to go with it. Then ideally you'll have like B unicorn level 15 or 20, you know what I mean? You haven't got to do all the grafting to get him up there. So he's level 7. Looking pretty tip top. There we have it. Thanks for watching. Part 2, we'll be making another C and so forth. Making one more C. Well, we'll be creating a B. And after that, once we made a B, we're just going to go on a marketplace and we're just going to buy B unicorns then. Finish off our A. That is it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Speak to you all again soon. Bye bye.